Guys, take a look at these differentials. They are awesome. These are basically the differentials for most of the Traxxas 4x4 trucks, the 1/10 scale trucks. And these are not your normal straight cut, differentials. These differentials are made by Cobra Racing, and they are actually spiral cut. So I'm going to go over what spiral cut differentials are and the difference between those differentials and the normal straight cut differential gears that you can get from Traxxas or any other third-party brand. So I'll go over that in a second, but just for a moment, take a look at these differentials. Look at this, guys. These are one of the best differentials you can get for your Traxxas 1/10 scale car. So this is the whole set. You get the front and the rear differential. You get a spiral cut ring gear for the rear of the differential. So if you look at this, I don't know if you can see that on camera, it's a little bit small. But this is a spiral cut ring gear. And then for the front differential, you have the front output pinion as well, and this is also spiral cut. So this set also comes with a set of ABEX 5 high performance rubber sealed bearings, and this is basically all the bearings you need for both the front and the rear differentials. Now guys, I mentioned that these are spiral cut, which is also another name for it is called helical gears. And basically the biggest difference with these gears is that because they are spiral, the shape of the gear is spiral, and then the output gear is also spiral, you can see how they mesh a lot better. And this meshing basically avoids, all the gears, just slamming onto each other. It just meshes a lot better. And because you're meshing a lot better, it's going to be a much quieter ride and a much more efficient ride because you're going to have a lot more traction because these gears will not slip, right? Because they mesh so well, they will not slip. So it's going to be a much quieter ride, a much more efficient ride. And then the best part about this is you're going to gain a lot more power because of this extra meshing. So you're going to see an increase in torque and power. So this is a full set, guys, and let me tell you something. The difference in terms of drivability, like once you swap out to this set, the difference is basically night and day with this versus the straight cut differential gears. So if you guys are interested in picking up a set, I am going to drop the link in the description, so make sure you check it out when you have some time. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content like this in the future, make sure you smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.